If you really want to know how to send out your Sidra token to another user without doing any mistake, you have to watch this video to the end. If you have just been verified and you want to conduct your first transaction, then this video is for you. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video regarding this Sidra update, you always be notified on time. And you can do your best to join the Telegram channel to stay updated, and when the listing of this project, another feature update will be dropped. The link is right at the description of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. For you to be able to send out your tokens, you have to click on where you have this wallet right here. Then you click on it. As soon as you tap on that wallet, the wallet button is going to take you to where you have this send tokens right here. Click on this send tokens, and as soon as you click on this send token, it's going to take you right here. Okay, so what you have to do next is to come here, this wallet here, you put it on main. All right, you tap on this wallet. Mine is already on the main wallet. You tap on the wallet and select the wallet in which that is showing this number of this Sidra point. All right, you have to select the wallet that is showing this Sidra point. Here I have like two wallets, that is why it is like this, but this is the main one that I have to type. So in case yours is showing like this, just go ahead and type, just tap on the main wallet that has the Sidra point. All right, so you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, it is now going to show your number of Sidra, the amount of Sidra SDA that you have here. All right, so now when it shows that, you can now come over here and insert the wallet address that you want to send the Sidra to. Okay, so you insert it right here. All right, as soon as you insert it, you now come and go ahead and click on this next button right here. You tap on it. So you tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, you now come down here and select the amount that you want to send to this person. This is the person that I want to send the Sidra to, and this is his name. You just come over here and highlight the amount you want to send. Like 100, I want to send 100 to that person. So I've inserted 100. You just scroll down here, and then you insert, you click on next. As soon as you click on next, just go ahead and confirm these transactions. Okay, you have to go ahead and confirm these transactions. You can see processing. It is showing processing. That means that it is sending. So as soon as it reaches the end, it is going to send. All right, as soon as this reaches the end, it is going to send. Just wait for the transaction while it is processing the transactions for you. So congratulations, the 100 Sidra has been sent. You can see the message right here. Transaction successful. This is my wallet address, and this is my image. You can come here and see the image of the person you sent it to. All right, and here you can copy this hash rate, this transaction hash. You can copy it to monitor if the transaction was later sent. All right, but you can monitor if the transaction was sent from here. If you click on this view on ledger, you can see the person that you sent it to. All right, in case there was the transaction was delayed for any reason, just come over here, copy this, and head over here and view it on ledger. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. So now you can now close, and you are good to go. So if this video was helpful, ensure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any other questions, leave them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.